Alright, boom. YouTube, what's going on? I always like don't prepare a speech or whatever to talk to y'all. But boom. Today's vlog is a little bit cool. We finally get to reveal the Beamer. If you follow me on Instagram and TikTok, you've probably already seen this weeks prior to this. I'm really late on this vlog because I've been busy kind of getting it ready for Slamming of Branson and everything. But yeah, kind of just go through the sequence of days of me dropping it off to get rap, picking it up from rap, and then again the video is kind of choppy, and I kind of like this edit style where I kind of just come in and I step in and let you guys know what's going on before it goes on. So I'm gonna keep doing videos like this, and you guys let me know if you like it like this. I'm gonna cut to when basically I started backing out the car on, it was Sunday. It was like Sunday a couple weeks ago. I started backing out the car, and yeah, we'll go on that little drive over there. You guys will get to meet Mikey, who wrapped my car, and yeah, we'll cut to Kieran from the Sunday we dropped off the car. YouTube, it's rap day. I got Che over there with me, about to take me over to Mike's so we could wrap the car. We pulled the car out, roll that footage. And then now we basically just packing up, getting ready to leave. Shit, I'm probably not gonna have the camera on the whole time we driving, but once we get there, I'll turn the camera on, introduce y'all to Mike, and then y'all can see the color, nigga. So we just getting some gas. Like a little gassy gas to get there. Had a little issue with clearance. Y'all can't see it, but I fucked up my lip. We finna get it right though. It's gonna be alright. Chat, we in the V. Got J-Dub. New shift boot. Still wrapping my interior trim, but you know. Got fender in here with me, spoiler, all that other shit. We are rolling. Alignment's cooked, but we're here. We rolling. We got J-Dub behind us. Ooh. Okay, man. Yeah. Interior not fully put together. Hella fucking open road, bro. Luckily the road is straight, so I might just keep cruising.
Baby, I did one day. Talk to me real quick, shawty, what's your name? If I want it, I get it, little baby, I'm hot shit. Baby, you fly, come around in my spaceship. I got money, I can buy what your taste is. Tell me your hottie, I'll fly with your places. Order your friends, I go on vacation. I know you be busy, cause babe, I be busy. If we ain't that letter, you better not hit it. You know you can't diss me. We went down, but I know that he missed me. You speak on my name, let him know that it's history. This nigga keep talking about so tired. Pass me the blunt, nigga, I'm trying to get high. Yeah, little baby, I know you ain't shy. I get that money, I'm spending my time. I cannot be looking at you. I'm not shit I like. If I wanna lead, don't fly.
Chat, we're here. We're at his house. We're not gonna show his house because that's OD. About to try and pull up that weird ass driveway. We got a man himself. Mikey! There go the man himself right there. Come say what's up to the vlog, man. Before I kill myself pulling your driveway.
For this shit. It's about to be the craziest looking Beamer.
Make sure you go there for y'all raps. Hey, you blocking the street. I'm gonna just send it. Yeah. 'Cause, 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 Chat, so car is in Michael's garage. Boy over there about to get me right. Probably in like a week, probably sooner. Not much issues going in, but I guess we cut the camera and we'll see this shit whenever we done. Car dropped off. Dub helped me out. We about to head home now, and yeah, I guess I'll see y'all niggas in like 7 days. So yeah, alright, focus. So yeah, car was dropped off, and I basically went home for a week. Didn't touch the car. Didn't think about. Well, I'm lying. I thought about the car. I bought parts, obviously, shit that I needed to put on as soon as the car came back. And he hit me up about Thursday night asking if I would be ready to pick it up Friday. Couldn't really pick it up Friday just because of how work was laid out, but then he came and got me on Saturday, and that's how we got here. Alright, vlog, it is 5 days later. We're with Mike, about to go get the car. He know what it looked like. I don't know what it looked like. I haven't seen it. I haven't seen no pictures. I told him not to send me no pictures. So whenever I get here, I'm gonna cut back on the camera and y'all get the reveal with me. All right, y'all, time to see the car. Damn, that's my oil too, huh?
No, that's what the... I actually don't know.
Probably. Sheesh. What the fuck? What the fuck? Ooh. Hey, I fuck with the roof. I fuck with it. I fuck with it. Yeah, you did it. Ooh. Ooh, this shit crazy. What the fuck?
Oh, let me turn on the light.
Yo. Ah. Yo.
I let the door close because I remember you said
yeah, I had the stuff for it. Oh shit, bro, this shit is nuts. Then, that's hard, bro. That shit is hard. What the fuck? Hell yeah, bro. The fucking bumper. Oh shit. Damn. Damn. What the fuck?
Ain't talking about money now. I'm thinking about money now. Ain't talking about money now. I'm talking about what? What? Ain't talking about nothing. Go get you some. Ain't talking about money now. I can't reply with. I was in the trap with guns and knives and me. 10 toes down, I'ma ride with my nigga. I hit when I got a black out, but I promise I'm never gon' die on my nigga.
Alright, we loaded up. It got hot as fuck out of nowhere. We about to take it home. Mike behind me, about to follow me home basically with my bumper and my fenders, and whenever we get home, start reassembling the car because I want to go out and take pictures this weekend, but we'll see how that go out.
Fuck that beef shit, nigga. I'm tryna go elevate with all my niggas. Then I got down, this nigga going in. Cause I got shit to get up on my chest. Taking them L's to the motherfucking chin. Fuck being down bad on my ass, but nigga, I'ma always going in for the win. Yeah, on Sunday I go to the church house. I be like, God, I'm sorry I sinned. Kill said punch in, go back in. I'm punching the beat down, I'm not done. And I be still mad, they killed my friend. And tune out to hit this shit like it's none. I'm tryna live life, eat with my day one. Yeah, I redeeming that shit, you ain't take. Y'all niggas surrounding yourself with them fake ones. Said it with pressure, I saw but ain't say nothing. Okay, yeah, growing up, I ain't shorter than Leon. Niggas be switching up like they ass soup. When you down your L, who the fuck you gon' call? These niggas be hoes, they moving in thong. Then they got mad like a hoe cause the girl wanna crate on my shit. And the rest of his hoes gon' sing along. Bathing they in my hoodie, I put it on.
Have a hiccup, chat. Skirt flew off. Self-tapper's gone. Oh, they still in here. What the fuck? I'm gonna have to self-tap a different location. Yeah, they still in here. I wonder what happened.
Oh, I think
the Bondo's still on it, so I wonder what happened.
the plastic.
All right, so YouTube, it is Sunday, and we did it. Here she goes in all of her beauty.
I'm coming in traffic, I'm getting through every gap. I'm stumping. Fin grip the ground, little bro getting off zaps. Hit the exit, fin going in 2 seconds. I can't never rap. In this whip, it's hella weapons. Don't think me and bro won't clap. Switch the whip, we swap the VIN, bro, pulling out the map. Incognito switches, I just tap, you can't tell by the bag. Pop the 10 program, the whip, fuck, I forgot to charge the pad. Hit straight, got snatched in 60 seconds, damn, I'm hella fast.
All Alright, so chat, this is it. I still got some dialing in to do. Right here we got a bit of rubbing and, you know, self-clearance, but I want to kind of fix it before it makes more damage than it should. And then shit, aside from that, fenders will rub, but I got a plan for that. Other than that, she looks great. I'm honestly happy with how she turned out. Love the wrap. Shout out to Mike again. I'll leave his info on screen. Gavin, any words?
Art.
But my neighbors up the street, they just came by and looked at the car with us, but we are done, guys. Just like that, chat, we had a new car, new color. Essentially, it's a whole new car, and I had one little problem, as you saw in that little clip. My bumper was kind of like sitting on the tire the whole time. I didn't really care about the fender sitting on the tire because I had the bolts loose, but the bumper was sitting on the tire, and that was posing a problem. Basically, I couldn't really drive around without fucking shit up, and I didn't want to fuck shit up before Branson. So I had either two options, really. I could pull more camber and get a proper alignment done and solve my problem, basically push the top of the wheel in, that way it's not touching anything and it's kind of tucking, and I could lower it a little bit more on top of it. Or I could get smaller tires and clear, and smaller tires just didn't it didn't really make sense. I just bought that full set of tires, and I mean, they were good size, and I really didn't trust a smaller tire going on that wheel, if I'm being honest. So I went with the first option, which was to get an alignment, and it turned out like this. All right, chat, a little bit of a fast forward. It is a week later now, and we're about to go to NSK Customs to get an alignment. I'm gonna try to pull like that 2 degrees of camber that I needed out the front, or at least a degree, and then get everything straight, and then hopefully that fixes up the little clearance issues I got with the fender and the bumper. So I'm gonna get the car pulled out. Probably not gonna record that, but whenever I get it done, I'll see y'all niggas in the car and we'll dip off. Rocky said he wanted a segment in the vlog, yo. All right, look. You gonna go get it if I throw it? Go. Good boy. You gonna bring it back? Oh, good boy. Good boy. Chat, we mobbing. But honestly, I think these spacers we put on, we need some hub-centric rings for them. Because this bitch is shaking. Y'all see this shit? This bitch is shaking. And it wasn't doing that before we swapped them spacers. Alright, chat. We got fucking NSK. About to get this damn alignment done. Sheesh. Hopefully they could do it. I know Christian got his shit done here, so hopefully they can help me out. It's really a truck spot. I'm just hoping they could actually get your boy right. Shit looks so fucked right now. I don't know what that is, chat, but look good. Probably bag though. Got a lot of tire. Well, we got Lando pulled up. They got rid of his fucking car. Random side quest, but shit. NSK said no, y'all, so we about to just go back home and say fuck it, small tires. We about back home now. See Worlds of Fun in the distance. Couldn't get the alignment. I'm not gonna try Lucas's shop. I think our solution now is basically get a smaller tire and fucking send it for Branson, and we figure out this alignment shit when we come back. There's a lot of shit we gotta figure out when we back, so I'm not too upset. Kind of bummed out, but shit happens, you know. We should be good. And the car trying to fucking drive itself. Oh, I got so much to fix when we come back from Branson, bro. I'm not even feeling good about it no more. I can see the interior though. Still not done, but we did a little something. Oh, she wrote, chat. I'm gonna just go inside, order some tires, and fuck, we'll figure it out. All this shit gonna be in one vlog. I'm gonna take y'all to the exhaust shop with me, and yeah, that's probably where this shit gonna end. So I'll probably cut to when we in there. So yeah, boom. NSK said, fuck you. You are too low. Nah, they didn't say fuck you. They were pretty nice about it. The guys are pretty cool, and he even walked me back there and explained to me why he couldn't do it. And if I'm being honest, their alignment rack is even in a worse setup than the one at my job. So I completely get why he couldn't do it. But yeah, didn't really get it done at NSK. Then I went home, tried to get tires that day. Rocky, what the fuck? I went home, tried to get tires that day, and it didn't really end out well. nobody had tires in 215, 35, 18, and they wouldn't have them until the Thursday that I was supposed to leave, and I wasn't gonna try and find a tire shop out in Branson or some shit like that. So we basically threw away that idea, and we sent it. I'm sorry. We threw away that idea and we sent it. I went down to Branson. Actually, fuck, I can't tell y'all about that. Watch the next vlog for that. But if you guys enjoyed the video and you guys like the new setup, comment, let me know what you think. I should be uploading here soon in like the next 7 days a Branson vlog. A Branson vlog. And yeah, just stay tuned for that. To everyone who saw the car already and this video really wasn't a spoiler to you, then hello, hi, boom. And to anyone who hasn't seen the car, there it is. Let me know what you guys think. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video, tell your friends. I'm trying to make good content for y'all. I love y'all. Why the fuck is it a dog fur on my eyebrow?
This young Phil nigga, shout out Steezy Cod. You ain't with it, just keep the lies. And my brother, he keep a 9. I told my brother that we gon' be fine. What? Know this what happened, just needed time. Niggas mad, I see it in their eyes. He was hating, now he surprised. Damn, don't even know where to start. Ain't shit but bitch in your heart.